fiancé. अगर यहाँ पे सना if she says that ma'am ऐसे 7 हुआ fiancé, तो people जिस भी जर्मन people को आप बोलोगे तो वो समझेंगे कि सुबह के 7:15 हो रहे हैं. तो फॉर्मली में प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ द 24 आवर्स फॉर्मेट. प्लीज टेक केयर, क्योंकि जर्मन में देयर इज नथिंग AM एंड PM. तो फॉर्मल में हम इसी तरीके से समझाते हैं with the time 12, 11, 10, 19, 20. That is it a morning time or is it an evening time? So whenever you are having a conversation with somebody in German, formally about timing, please take care of the 24 hours format. So ये तो done. Up, let's see, Ashwin, I'm giving you a time. Tell me formally, right? I'll write the time in English. You have to tell me formally. So the timing is English का time है 4 o'clock 4:05. So how do we say that auf Deutsch bitte? Informal, offiziell.
16:05.
Yeah, es ist 16:05. Very good. Okay, now Revati, your timing is, how do you say? 8:30 AM.
Es ist 8 Uhr 30.
Very good. Es ist 8 Uhr 30. Now Samriddhi, same timing, PM. How do you say?
Es ist, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Samriddhi, you are audible.
Es ist 20 Uhr 30.
Very good. Okay. Then we are done with official timing. इसके अलावा official में कुछ नहीं है. You just need to take care of the 24 hours format. Because if you don't remember, if you say 8:30 को अगर आप 8:30 बोलते हो, 8 Uhr 30, तो जो बोल रहा है और जिसको आप बोल रहे हो, they would feel कि भाई शाम हो रही है, तो why you are calling me or why you are telling me the दिन का time. So please make sure to remember, official में we always use 24 hours format. Yeah, Sana?
Ma'am, then we'll say the same line. If it is PM or AM, it doesn't matter. We say the same thing.
What same thing? For example?
Like for 8:30, like Samriddhi said. So in that, she said like 20 Uhr.
You're mute, Sana. You're mute. Yeah, 20 Uhr 30.
Yes, ma'am. So then, but then it is PM or AM. How will we get to know that?
That's what I'm telling. क्योंकि अगर से 20 बोला है तो 20 12 बजे के बाद घूमता है क्लॉक ना, तो वो 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, वो 20 रात के आते हैं. सुबह वाले दिन में 12 बजे से पहले वो 8 बजता है. दिन के 8 को, दिन वाले मतलब जब मॉर्निंग का 8 होता है तो पीपल कॉल इट 8, और शाम होते होते वो 20 हो जाता है, 20. तो जैसे ही आप 20 बोलोगे ना, तो सामने वाला खुद समझ जाएगा कि 20 मतलब रात का 8, 20 मतलब दिन का 8 नहीं हो सकता. 12 के बाद से शुरू होता है 13, 14, 15, 16. अब जैसे मान लो 10 बजे है, 10 AM, 10 AM एंड अनदर टाइमिंग इज 10 PM. तो कैसे बोलेंगे हम? तो 10 AM को हम सिंपल बोलेंगे es ist 10 Uhr. Es ist 10 Uhr. तो ये लोग समझ जाएंगे 10 Uhr मतलब दिन के लिए. लेकिन अगर 10 PM है तो 10 हमें काउंट करना पड़ेगा कि 24 आवर्स में कितना होगा. तो 28 को हम 20 बोलते हैं, तो 9 को हम 21 बोलते हैं, और 10 को 22 बोलते हैं. इट वुड बी लाइक, अगर हम शाम की टाइमिंग बताएंगे तो इट वुड बी es ist 22 Uhr. 22 Uhr. तो जैसे आप 22 Uhr बोलेंगे तो द पर्सन वुड अंडरस्टैंड कि 22 मतलब रात के 10. तो इस तरीके से यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन AM एंड PM इन जर्मन ऑफिशियली, ऑफिशियल में. या सो इज दिस clear? Official site, I don't think there's any deal to this. It's nothing in here. If you remember the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then this thing is not a deal. एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ कि 7 बजे को शाम में वो कितना वो किस काउंटिंग पे आता है। ये नहीं कि 7 बज रहे एंड यू टेल 16 जेक्सेन ओवर। जेक्सेन मतलब 4 होते हैं, शाम के 4। तो यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर दैट, you need to have a proper idea of that ki 24 hours ke according what is the timing right now, then only you will be able to tell the timing in officially. So what do you think, official is clear?
Yeah, class.
Yeah, clear, okay. अब आते हैं the trickiest part in here which is this, right? ऑफिशियल तो मतलब ऐसी चीज है जो इजी है, बट देन ऑफिशियल का यूज बहुत लिमिटेड है जर्मन में। मतलब जब आप ऑफिस में हो या जब आप किसी को लेटर लिख रहे हो तभी यू कैन यूज ऑफिशियल, अदरवाइज इनऑफिशियल टाइमिंग इज द वन दैट प्रिवेल्स इन जर्मनी। एवरीबडी they talk in like inofficially. So in order to understand inofficial timing, you need to understand this table. There is a picture given here जिसमें हम 4 नाक नाक हाल्ब और 4 हाल्ब करके there are some words. कुछ घड़ी आपके पास यहाँ पे है एंड उसके नीचे इसकी टाइमिंग्स लिखी हुई है. So just don't do anything. Just take 2 minutes of your time. Read any of the 2 or 3 clocks. Yeah. And try to understand कि घड़ी जितने बज रहे हैं घड़ी में और जिस वर्ड के साथ ये लिखा गया है. So what is this word? And what is the timing? And what is the meaning of 4? Naak halb, 4 halb. Just try to read this picture for 2 minutes and try to understand and try to give me an explanation कि आपने यहाँ पे what have you understood here. अगर आप कुछ नहीं समझे होंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, I'll explain. But then अगर if you have an idea beforehand, so it will make it easier. So just study the picture for 2 minutes and let me know that क्या समझे आप after 2 minutes. Yeah, Ashwin, I'll do that. I'll tell you the reason why it happened. I actually got a batch and there were 4 kids from Haryana. I was told to teach them in Hindi. So in the last 4 or 5 days, I have been dealing with them like it's a 1 hour. It's more like I'm preparing them for something. I'm preparing them for an interview maybe. So I've been talking to them in Hindi and like understand making German and Hindi is like, I can't even explain how is it for me because I'm not so good in Hindi. I don't know Hindi and it's very difficult for me as well to explain everything in Hindi and that's what the habit is of with me. And I have mixed it here as well. I try not to speak Hindi. Yeah, because you guys are comfortable in English, so I'll better go ahead with English. Then I was so infused with English, Hindi these days. I actually completely forgot that I have to use English here. So yeah, thank you for the reminder. I'll do that. Yeah. So just have a look. Try to read the pictures along with the timings given below. Try to understand what does it mean. 4 naak, hal 4, naak 4, naak hal, and then this put here and we are al zusammen.
Why is your video off today?
Yeah, Ashwin.
Why is the video off today?
Why is the video of it? Actually, I'm not well. Actually, I had fever yesterday. I was very busy, so I couldn't. I would have been given like I cannot wait like wake up from the bed. So I am on my bed. That's why I am unable to switch on the camera today. I'll be doing it for tomorrow. Yeah.
Prank.
Yeah, Ishwin. Yeah, Ishwin, it's
Get
crank.
well soon.
Yeah, get well soon is what do you call that? Yeah, mach es besser oder guter Besserung. We also call it guter Besserung. Guter Besserung is get well soon. I'll write it here. Guter Besserung.
Guter Besserung.
Yeah. Guter Besserung. That is get well soon. Yeah, so just read it and then I'll come back. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's come to the first picture together. The time which can be seen here is 11 o'clock, 5 minutes. The clock, the short hand is on 11. The minute hand is on 5. So that means 11:05. So the timing which you can see here is Fyun's Nak elf. So what do you think Nak is? Nak kya hai? What is Nak?
After.
After?
The after.
Okay, good. After. So the time says 5 after 11. That means it's already been 5 minutes after 11. Great. Let's come to the second picture, which is Sen Nak Dry. So what is Sen Nak Dry? What do you think it is? 10 after 3. So what is the timing? 10 after 3. So what is the time in English?
3:10.
3:10. Yeah, 3:10. Good. Okay, then so Nak is after. So let's get clear with Nak. After.